Welcome back, Frac Crew. I'm Jared with Frac Daddy Barbecue, and this is Melissa.
Hello there. And today we are going to be making a fried tequila shot. Yes, you heard that correctly.
Exactly. Fried tequila shots.
So I saw this on TikTok this morning. We went to the store, we got all the ingredients, and now we're going to share it with you guys.
It's super easy, super simple, and all you need is your air fryer to cook it.
So let's get started. The simple ingredients you need is a store-bought angel food cake that you just go, and Jared already did this for us. Get a whole cake, slice it into chunks, and then slice it into smaller chunks, bite-sized. Then over here, we have a half a cup of tequila. We already have a juice of 1 lime in here, and here is another juice of a lime. We wanted to go extra limey, so we're gonna put that in there. Then we're gonna get some tongs, get our cake, and we're just gonna dip it in the shot. Then we have our little basket for our Ninja Foodie air fryer. Thank you, Jared. We're just going to put that in there.
They do recommend that you do use your air fryer for this.
Or you can deep fry them, but don't go through all that. Like, look how simple this is so far. Woohoo!
Here we have our Ninja Foodie. We have it on Air Crisp 375. I'm just preheating it. We'll do it for about 5 minutes, and then like Melissa said, we'll put our fried tequila shots in our air fryer for approximately 10 minutes.
They're done. They did take about 10 minutes. They are nice and crunchy. Some are a little more done than others, but hey.
I like how kind of caramelized they got. First step, add toothpick to your fried tequila shots.
Add our lime zest just a little bit. We got some kosher salt. Perfect for these little tequila shots.
Sweet and salty.
And then with some powdered sugar.
Oh, we make it rain, babe.
There you go. Can't have too much. Well, you can. How's that look?
That looks amazing, guys. Leave a comment if you would like to try some of these. All right, y'all. So the moment is here. We get to try these.
Pick your poison. Pick your shot.
Look at that.
Look at that powdered sugar.
It looks so good.
Cheers to 2020. Hello, 2021.
Oh, man.
That's good.
Get the tequila. Not very overpowering.
But it's there.
You get the salt. You get the zest from the lime. Powdered sugar kind of brings everything together.
Helps with the tartness.
What would you describe the taste as, babe?
Key lime pie with some salt.
It's very good. I would give this a thumbs up.
Me too.
Would you make this again as a snack?
For sure.
Perfect.
And that's a wrap. Fried tequila shots were a total win.
That's right.
We thank you guys for watching this video with us to celebrate this New Year's Eve. Like I said, goodbye 2020.
Hello 2021.
Please be good to all of us. So y'all have a good, safe night.
Please be safe. Don't drink and drive.
No, it's not worth it.
It's not. So Louis sends his love to you guys. He's over there by the heater because it's cold.
He's high maintenance.
He is. But, babe, I just want to say Happy New Year's.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year's to you guys.
Our first one married.
That's right. So, and until 2021, we'll see you then.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
It's
Louis.
He wanted some regular cake. Non-fried, non-tequila shot.
Oh, how is that?
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year for Louis.